Hello everyone! Today, we are going to present the experiment number 2. Preparation of starch. The first thing we did was to peel the potato. Now, Miss JUMUAD is grating the potato. After that, we prepared a 100 ml of tap water. We mixed the pulp of potato with the 100 ml of water. Miss RUFON is now stirring the pulp and water mixture. We let the mixture sit for 5 minutes. We noticed the changes of color since it changes from yellow to brown and to dark brown. So the longer the time, the darker the color will be. Miss DANAY is now straining the pulp through a piece of cheesecloth, and as she cuts the liquid in a clean wide mouth container, Miss Ayla is guiding or holding the cheesecloth in place. We are using chopstick to scoop the pulp. It took an hour to see the result of starch settling down below the container. The color shifts from brown to dark brown until it became this color, which is the grayish brown. This is the starch that we gathered from settling it for an hour. We are now washing the starch, making sure that the water will be clear as possible, so it took us 3 washes to get the result that we want. Solubility. We are now measuring a 1 teaspoon of prepared starch. We dissolve a small amount of the prepared starch in 10 ml of hot water. We filtered the solution using a cheesecloth. So we test the filtrate by adding 2 drops of iodine solution. So we notice the shifts of color immediately. So it shifts from yellow to dark yellow until it became this color, which is a brownish kind of yellow. Test on the presence of starch. We prepared a small amount of chips, crackers, apple, banana, onion, and bread. We will be grinding all the mentioned ingredients, so we will be pounding or grinding it using a mortar and pestle. We placed the samples in a 5 clear cups, and then we added 5 ml of water to dissolve the mentioned ingredients. We stirred the sample using a wood chopstick. Then after that, we added a drop of iodine solution in each sample, which is the chips, crackers, apple, onion, banana, and bread. So we immediately noticed the shifts of color, like some of the mentioned ingredients turned into red and some turned into blue or bluish black. So we transferred it into a small pan. We immediately noticed that the sample in which color develops is either going to disappear or just stays in the sample. Hydrolysis of starch. We prepare the starch solution by dissolving a 1 spatula full of cornstarch in a 400 ml of water. Then after that, we added 5 ml of muriatic acid to the solution and then we stirred it. So now we are heating the starch solution with the muriatic acid. And every 5 to 10 minutes, we get 5 drops of the solution and then we are putting it in the labeled container. Then we place 2 drops of iodine solution every time a heated starch solution is dropped on the container. And this is what the result looked like. Thank you for watching!